Today, I have a brand new Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 40mm variant with me, and in this video I am going to do its unboxing and share my initial impression with you. I also have the Watch 4 on my wrist and I will be comparing the newly launched Watch 5 with it. So without any further ado, let's start. Watch 5 comes in a similar box that Watch 4 used to come in. It is very different from all the watch boxes that I have opened so far. So let's open this up. The first thing that comes out is the smaller box, which contains a quick start guide, which is one pager, and there is no multi-page user manual in the box. Another thing in this small box is the wireless magnetic charging cable. The first thing that I am noticing in this cable is its Type-C end. Watch 4 used to come with USB type charging cable, and this one has a Type-C. So if you don't already have an adapter that has a USB Type-C port, then you will have to purchase a new one to charge this watch. While we are talking about the charger, let me tell you that the Watch 5 comes with fast charging support and can get charged up to 45% in just 30 minutes with a 25-watt charger. Yes, to use its fast charging capabilities, you need to have a 25-watt power adapter, otherwise it will get charged normally. I will obviously be doing a battery charging test on the channel very soon. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, then do it right now to watch all the interesting videos related to Watch 5, which will be coming out in a few days. Now let's keep the charger and quick start guide to the side and let's have a look at the watch. It is a silver variant with purple straps. There are basically three variants of this watch, that is graphite, silver and pink gold. This one is silver and has a case in silver color. It looks silver but is actually made of armor aluminium. If we talk about the Watch 4, then it was also made of armor aluminium. So no changes when it comes to case material. However, Watch 5 comes with a sapphire crystal on top as compared to the Gorilla Glass protection on Watch 4. Therefore, Watch 5 is now stronger compared to Watch 4. With Watch 4, I am using tempered glass to protect it from scratches. But since Watch 5 has a sapphire glass on the top, therefore I don't have to use the protector with this one because sapphire glass makes it literally scratch resistant. Overall, I think the Watch 5 is a little bulky when compared to the Watch 4. You can see it seems thicker than the Watch 4. And this is because of the fact that the Watch 5 has a 13% bigger battery compared to Watch 4. A bigger battery has resulted in a bigger size. According to me, Watch 4's battery life was one of its major drawbacks. You can check out my Galaxy Watch 4 battery life saving tips video using the I button if you own the Watch 4 and want to increase its battery life. How much battery life will the Watch 5 return? That is something I really want to see. If you are also curious, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel because very soon I will be making a detailed review of Watch 5 where I will also test its battery life. On the side of the watch, you get two buttons to control it, like you used to get in the Watch 4. These are flat and look good. The straps of the watch also look similar to the Watch 4. Now let's fire this watch up. To do that, we need to press the upper button for a while, and there you go. Let's wait to get it started. It is taking quite a time to turn on. So finally it is turned on. And the first thing that I am liking is its display quality. Like all other previous Samsung watches, the display of the Watch 5 is top notch. It displays vibrant colors and crisp text. Therefore, I would like to give full marks to its display right away. Like the Watch 4, this watch also runs on Google Wear OS. Therefore, its interface should be similar to the Watch 4, which I think is easy to use and navigate. I will be covering its interface in detail in my in-depth review video, so stay tuned to the channel. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 looks sturdy and very similar to the Watch 4. With that, I end this video here. Do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button before you leave. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.